In this video, let me show you a review about costreviews.com. Costreviews.com is definitely a scam and not a legitimate service. Here's what the evidence shows. Scam revealed, fake gift card lure. Costreviews.com falsely claims to offer $750 Costco gift card in exchange for completing surveys. This is a common phishing technique to collect personal info. Personal data harvesting and redirects. Visitors are asked for sensitive data such as name, email, and address, and then redirected to malicious affiliate or subscription sites with no real card delivery. What happens if you interact with this website? Your data may be stolen, sold, or used for identity theft. You may get redirected into signing up for unnecessary subscription, downloading malware, or clicking on harmful links. Never enter personal info prompted for surveys or gift card offers. Cancel any suspicious subscription immediately and monitor bank statements or emails. File a complaint via your local consumer protection agency or the FTC. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.